Hello everybody, Luke back once again, this time to take a look at some of Amazon's early Black Friday deals and help you find some of the best ones out there. I've gone through a ton of these deals and picked out what I think are some of the best deals for early Black Friday with this. Now, this doesn't mean that there won't be more deals. On Black Friday, Amazon typically releases completely other deals on the market. We'll be covering those too. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. It lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. Also helps mean you can see our future videos all week as we take a look at the best Black Friday deals and Cyber Monday deals on the market right now from places like Amazon. Also, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that thumbs up just lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here, which helps us out a lot. Now, I will be linking to all these deals I show down in the show notes, including this homepage here where you can find all of them. Check out the links down below, including the pinned first comment for links to everything you're going to see in this video. All right, let's dive into this. Starting off with Bose Earbuds. Yes, up to almost 30%, 29% off of Bose Earbuds. Great earbuds here. Two different models on sale right now. The Bose Quiet Comfort Noise Canceling Earbuds starting off at $199. Down from $279, a really good deal there. Or if you don't really care so much about the noise canceling, you want the good audio sound quality, check out their Bose Sports Earbuds for $49. Pretty good deal, very comfortable, very good battery life with these. Highly recommend you check them out. A lot of adapters and features that come with these earbuds here. Now, if you are not so much of an earbud person, which I understand, some people don't, when I travel long distances, I kind of prefer the over-the-ear comfort of my Bose Quiet Comfort 35.2s. Now, I've owned these for many, many years. Really enjoy them. They're on sale 49% off, just $179 for this. Typically $349. That's $170 off. These are very comfortable to use when you fly long distances. Very good noise cancellation with them also. Plus, you do get an aux cable with it, so you can plug into your airline's entertainment system or a device that may not support Bluetooth with it. Does have the ability also with your Alexa voice controls with it or the button there to use that to control your music, all kinds of different things with it. Highly recommend these. I use them. Good battery life, good support. Very, very comfortable. And perfect for that traveler on your holiday list. Even if it's not for you, if you got somebody who really likes to travel, they may never know you only spent $179 on these. Check them out. All right, for the gamers, if you're a gamer or you know a gamer who happens to have a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, PlayStation Plus 12-month membership gives you access to all kinds of additional content, games, features online, and more. Right now, just $39.99, down from $59.99. Now, this does give you a digital code. You enter that code into your account, and you get the free year. So you can print that off and wrap it up if you want, or just enter it for yourself. Maybe a little early Christmas gift for yourself. But if you have a gamer who uses a PlayStation 4 or one of the new PlayStation 5s, highly recommend you check this out. It is a very good deal. And, like I said, perfect to stock up on these. All right. Oakleys have a ton of frames on sale, sunglasses, frames, and more. Now, they list as 30% off. I've seen a few of these that are at 50%. Let's see if I can find that again. But tons and tons of styles to pick from. Right here we go. Here's one at 50% off right there, 50% off. But they got 10 pages of sunglasses, frames, eyewear, all kinds of stuff at really good prices to pick from. So if you have a pair of Oakleys, I do, Battle Love, this may be a great chance to say, hey, you know, let me stock up on a second pair of these. So let's be honest, at some point you're going to be losing your sunglasses, breaking them, whatever. I once went on vacation, or last night we sat down at a restaurant. When we left, it was dark. I left my sunglasses. Unfortunately, I had a plane to catch before they reopened that restaurant, and I lost my Oakley sunglasses there. I was very disappointed, but wasn't worth it to try to rebook a plane flight home. That would have cost a lot more than buying a new pair of Oakleys. So keep this in mind. Really great deal for you. Next up, the Casa Smart Plugs. Now, I have been a huge fan of these. I have used these in my own home. I love the ability to, in my office, for example, have a fan that sits out of reach. It gets a little warm in my office when the sun hits it right. This fan rotates the air. I love it. But I don't want to stand up from my desk, walk over there, turn it on and off every time I want to make a phone call. I don't want a fan blowing on me as I'm recording a video like this or I'm making work phone calls. Having a smart plug is great. I've also used these for lamps when I'm traveling, the ability to have them turn on and off the lights so that looks like you're home. A 4-pack for just $22.89 is a really good deal. That's 24% off. And a 4-pack, that is a nice price there. Does work with Google, does work with Echo devices, and so much more out there. Now, if you have a budding YouTuber, photographer, or you just want to be able to take action videos of your kids or take a camera, you're not worried about being damaged, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is a camera I've used. I've been very, very happy with it. It does support webcam streaming too. I know webcams last year were hard to get, but it is on sale, $15.99 off, 10% off, brings the price down to $449. Very nice camera here. 23 megapixel photos. I think the big selling point for these cameras is the video over the photos, but you can do photos too. Great kind of action shots, all kinds of amazing stabilization and more. If you have a budding YouTuber, you have a budding somebody who just likes to shoot videos, GoPro Hero Black 10 is very, very nice. Last year, treadmills and other exercise equipment was very hard to find. It is nice to see them coming back on sale. Bowflex has their treadmill on sale right now. Highly regarded treadmill, very well reviewed at different places. Maybe not the top of the line. This is the 10 series. They also have the T22 and more, but that's a lot more money. Right now, though, it's $1,100 off, 39% off. Really good deal. Plus, right here, if you check this coupon, save $150 additional. With this, you have to remember to check the coupon. Always look for under the prices for this little coupon icon here to save additional money. So really good deal on this. Highly recommend it. 20-inch wide, 60-inch long running path. That's a very nice treadmill. If you've been looking for one, or you know somebody who's been thinking about it, because I know gyms are kind of packed, check that out. Speaking of the budding YouTuber, budding TikToker, and more, if you have somebody like that in your life, maybe this is a good present for them. Now, this is a ring light with a holder for their phone, which means that they have the ability to put their phone on there, shoot TikTok videos, shoot YouTube videos, and more, and have that ring light there to help you have good lighting with it. It also comes with a Bluetooth controlled photo and video setting there, allowing you to control that. You can control the warmth and the color of the light with it. Adjustable for portrait or landscape photos and more. Really nice way to use this. Great present. Under $30 for that budding TikTok or YouTube, whoever you may have in your life. Maybe it's you that wants to do this. Now, this is adjustable too here, so you can adjust it for how you sit and more. Very nice to do it with this. So check it out. The ability to remote control it so you can get yourself all set up and start the recording. Very nice. Helps cut down on video editing needs later in the video. All right, let's keep on moving along. Google Nest thermostats. Let's save some energy. You got an old thermostat, maybe not as efficient, maybe lacking a lot of programmability, or remote control. We recently went to a trip for 10 days. I set the temp way down in our home. It's cold here in Michigan. And when we came back, as I was in the airport flying up here, I told it to start warming up the house. So when we got home, it was nice and comfortable. We all put the kids to bed. It was very late, after midnight when we got home because of flights and everything. This is a nice way to do that. But on sale, typically $129.99. On sale right now for $99.99. Make sure your furnace is compatible with this. They do have some help with that. On the details here for what you need with it. So make sure you got the right type of furnace here. Check out all the details with it. And if in doubt, talk to somebody who knows this and more. But these are pretty nice features. These are the new Google Nest thermostats, and it really helps you be able to control your energy bills, have a lot of routines set up and more, so that as you leave the home, you can lower the temp, raise the temp, and more with it, and a lot of behavior there. So check it out. 3 different colors to pick from. Link in the show notes. And lastly, if you have a craftsy kind of person, guy or woman who needs some power tools and more, maybe somewhere to put their tools, Craftsman has some out there. Now, one thing that's really nice, if you know you have a professional that does a lot of this work in their life, buying them a couple extra battery packs for their equipment, really nice deal here. They do have an some corded tools, some storage equipment, different stuff to pick from with Craftsman. They've been rotating a lot of Craftsman deals, so check back on this page for a lot more. But even just a nice stand here to store their equipment and more is a great present for many people out there. So check it out. No matter who is in your family that loves to work with their tools, Craftsman's a good brand. May not be sold at Sears. I think it's at Lowe's now, and they're also now bringing it to Amazon, so check it out. Quick recap. Don't forget about your Bose earbuds and headphones. Need to have a gamer? Don't forget about your PlayStation Plus membership. Oakley sunglasses, great deals. Casa smart plugs. Black Hero GoPro Black, nice deal there. Bowflex treadmill. A ring light for that budding TikToker or YouTuber or somebody who just likes to take a lot of photos. Google Nest thermostats. Trust me, if you take the time to program your thermostats to do a lot, you can save money. And Craftsman's tools are all on sale. Check out the show notes down below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. We will really appreciate it because it lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. Check back for more videos like this. We'll be back real soon.